how to check unfollow list on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your unfollow list within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So I'm going to be showing you two different lists in this video. First, a list of the groups, people, and pages that you follow, so you can easily unfollow any of those if you want to. And then second, a list of the groups, people, and pages that you recently unfollowed so that you can easily refollow them if you want to. So to do that, simply open up the Facebook app, then select the three lines in the top left of the app to open the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. After that, select Settings. Then once in Settings, scroll down under Preferences and select Content Preferences. So unfollow, in here, these are all the accounts, pages, and groups that you follow. You can filter by selecting the filter button, and you'll be able to filter by friends, groups, and pages and public figures. And if you want to unfollow anyone, just select Unfollow, and then they will no longer show up in your feed. Additionally, in here, we have Reconnect, and this is going to be a list of everyone, including groups, pages, and friends that you have unfollowed, and you can simply refollow them whenever you want to by selecting Follow. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.